In this demo, I'm going to show you how Cloudera Manager makes it easy to view and search log files from all of the services in your Cloudera Enterprise deployment, and also allows you to set up alerts if you get particular errors or warnings. So to look at my log files, I just need to go into the Diagnostics menu and select Logs. This gives you a box where you can do a free text search on any of your log files, but it also allows you to select which sources, i.e. which services you want to see the logs from. So let's say I've got a problem with the Zookeeper service, so I want to look at the logs for that service. So if I uncheck all sources and check Zookeeper, and if I just click search without any text in the search box, it will show me all of the errors that are happening for the Zookeeper service. But actually these are all the entries that are at info level or above. So I really only want to look at those that are at warning level and above. So let me change that section and search again. Now I'm interested in these end of stream exception warnings. And I want to be able to get alerted every time one of these happens. So in order to do that, I need to go into the main screen of Cloudera Manager, go into the Zookeeper service, and go into its configuration. In the configuration for each of the services, there is a parameter called Rules to Extract Events from Log Files, which I've just found here by searching on the word extract on the left-hand side. I can see that there are a few rules here, but none of them quite match what I'm looking for. So I'm going to add a rule and put in the relevant information. So I want to be alerted whenever end of stream exception occurs. I only want to see it when the threshold is warn level. And the default here is that I'll get one alert every minute. Even if there are multiple, maybe hundreds or thousands of this warning per minute, I'll just get one of those alerts per minute. I don't want to be alerted hundreds or thousands of times a minute. So in order to be alerted, I need to check this box by alert. So I'll save that configuration. Now if I go to the home screen, I can see that by the Zookeeper service, there's a circular arrow. If I hover over that, it tells me that the configuration is stale, which means a restart is needed. So basically I've changed a parameter, which means that I need to restart that service for that parameter to take effect. To restart the service, I just need to click on the drop down next to the Zookeeper service and select Restart. It tells me if there are other services that are dependent on that service. So if this was a production cluster, I definitely wouldn't want to restart the Zookeeper service without thinking about these services first. And I could actually do a rolling restart, so there's no downtime. But in this case, this is my development cluster. I don't mind just restarting that Zookeeper service quickly. So I hit restart. That will start to restart the Zookeeper service. And once that service is restarted, I should start seeing alerts coming out whenever I see that entry in the log files.